mal in office biak in le room chaina na mantlak pangpar le plan moi tak tak kim na le tlom takazor na hun pui ke bloom by jacob hian retail le wholesaling kan pe thei renga le thapo an kol boke aizol pon ma po kan thon chuak thei veka phone number tarla na hian in biak thei reng kan ni a Instagram YouTube le WhatsApp group link comment section a kan pin boke ke bloom by jacob hian in lo leng ula lo dor ve theu don ania
dor ve theu don yo le riek ila he Iran president hian in Indo ti top adu thu aron puang ani hi Fox News lampang hian in ron upload ta darkar som pariat kalta kha ani a 1 million views a to ani mi noi so min he video hin lo en to turu rem khop me ni hethila hi chu a breaking news ti kha a chiang ve renga en title apo hian in Iran's president calls for end to war amaro chu oi tur nge oi lo tur ti kha kan riekang.
So we are told that many Iranians are struggling to afford groceries as the Trump administration continues to go after that country's economy.
Tuna hian in Donald Trump ate chuanin hetianga asipai chakna te ral thuam hmanga beito lo hian in Iran ram economy hi tuna hian in an trek bet ne hle ni in alanga chu news ate po hian in Iran mi puite hian in an ni tin mamo chak khai ang chi leite po kha an har sat so choviu ni in report om ani hetiang ani hi chuanin eng angpon Iran ram hloi tu tele Iran sipai te hian in United States te hi dolchak engang ma se an mani ram mi puite Iran sarkar hemi enge Islamic Republic Islamic regime timengo hemi angchi hi an tane mo tan lawemo an ram mi puite na an tor to sim kha chuanin Iran ram hloi tu te ta ha chuanin ti thei vak kha om to lo ani zeb lo chuan mo chu wa chuan in Indo ti top mai lo kha chu an tan chuan in ti thei om lawa hei Trump te hi an che fu don riu in lang tu na hian.
This is the next step. Jonathan Hunt knows it well, live in Tel Aviv to bring us the latest from today. Jonathan.
Good morning to you, Bill. We are in the early stages, of course, of what President Trump has termed economic warfare against Iran. The next
economic warfare to na hianin Iran laka United States te hianin an thak me kan om jebera chuanin United States hianin Iran economy at chiat to mana kalain kami kha an na ti chiat bel zel don in ala om jebera chuanin Iran ram poisa hlutna ataniam telterin ka ringa chuanin Iran ram poisa hlutna atlak niam po le thil hote leite po kha har sa tel don entina amma ai wai cheng soman kan ti te kha Iran poisa hlutna atlak niam dana zirte po khanin I cheng zanga sangkhat man thleng te pon khami atira cheng soman lek te po khamo kha aman kha aronin abwak theiani omje chuanin an poisa hlutna kha atlan yam le lu to ka chu wan chuanin ama a cheng soman mai po leitur khan tuna chuanin chengza zanga ti ang chi vel loi kha angai to don ti na kha ni na lang he ba ga hianin United States lampang hianin Iran ram economy hi an assets an nei ang te hi le an bank account thil ti sang te po tuna hianin United States hianin Iran thil hi khoi thei lawin an train sak mek bok nei in alang ane
more draconian stage due to be detailed by Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent on Monday, but any sanctions program isn't going to be easy to enforce. When you look at the number of land borders, for instance, Iran shares 7 different countries having land borders with the Islamic Republic. And to the north there, look at the Caspian Sea. That gives Iran direct access to Russia. There's also...
Yeah, hemi Caspian Sea. Kaltang hianin Iran hianin direct in Russia hi an vakal theita. Chuanin Iran hi shek ahar na chantur pakhat bok chu Trump te hianin anti thei thawin ka ringa maro chu Iran hi shek ahar na chantur chu hei Turkmenistan te Afghanistan te Pakistan chuanin Iraq Turkey chu hela hianin hemi ram pani hi nom bokani ram pasari azawain ram pasari te nen hianin border hi hianin share chat maya chu wan chuanin Trump te hian engtin emon tak Turkey kan ti te Turkmenistan Afghanistan Pakistan le helai ram pani hi amin ka thei ta mai lawa heng ram te hi Iran te ne na engma sumdon na tilautura anti thei kha angai dona amaro chu khatiang kha lo ti po ni se hemi Caspian Sea kal tang hianin Iran hianin Russia hanna puina hanla la thei thawa chuanin Caspian Sea hianin United States te hi anin buna United States pai ten thu nei na an chang thei ani kha chuanin Iran ta ha chuanin chet lak wak ngai na ha to don lawa chan chu hi lai Gulf of Oman lawa hianin United States Navy ten blockade kha an lo ti ve mek box yemo hi tuna Iran din mule US ina ma alak tum dan ni deu ber chuanin alanga ni
So direct access to China via a land route through Afghanistan. Neither of those countries, according to General Jack Keane, are going to be very willing to take part in any sanctions program. Listen here.
Certainly, Russia and China have a vested interest in the United States not succeeding in the war against Iran. That they want to keep their foothold in the Middle East, and that's Iran. And that is why they're helping them.
Ani ve theireng mai han en le tai la me pa hian Iran hian China hi Afghanistan kal tang hianin han kal thei ni sonin Caspian Sea kal tang hianin Russia puina kha direct in han la thei boka tinan Russia changin bungro te pokha Iran hen ron thon lu thei hemi Caspian Sea tang he hemi Caspian Sea kal tang hian mo so za omzia bra chuanin China le Russia te hian in Middle East hi chuanin hei Iran hi an ron tran pui ti mai la achan chu Israel hi United States nam pain ron tho pui bok ta hei chu riat vek ani ta chu wan chuanin China le Russia te hi tu na United States na Iran an he hlei thei mi lo te hi aruk tak chuanin an lom ti hi a riat ani achan chu China le Russia te hian in Middle East hi Iran kal tang hian engema chena hian in direct tak chuan ani kherlonga indirect deuh hian in thunei na hi an la ron nei ve thei tlat mai ni chu China le Russia te lom na turani chu wang chuanin I Afghanistan te Turkmenistan te heng teng te hi Pakistan te po ni tho China nen te po anin ti thang reng boxia tuna United States ina Iran a shek na tura hianin antel vedu kherangem ti kha zona om thei tak ero chuan ha
Their foot.
Now, there is widespread acknowledgement, though, that the economic pressure is beginning to bite. Prices are going up, availability of goods is going down, and even some within the Iranian leadership are now talking about a change in approach.
To hianin Thilman aron tawbel zel ni la Thilman a tawbel rolin oni tin cha khai mamo lei thei turang chi te kha a stock te po kha atlem vetel tel ni bokin la ni zebra sonin supply a chetel tela demand ala sang reng boxia supply chi demand san reng chuanin Thilman kha atawanga khi hianin mi puite a khenin har satna a thlen dona a siam dona mi puite an lungoi lo zonin tutela ka ngel lungoi lo don gan ti chuan Iran Islamic regime mi an ram soi tu la ram soi tu tela ka hanin an lungoi don lo ta amaro chu kha tuna Islamic regime ho hianin until an thiam viau te ni chuan an ram mi puite an mani la ka lungoi lo tur khian US la ka lungoi lo na lan tir tu te po khianin henga mani hei propaganda kan ti ang chi te po khamo an lo the dar vele thei tho bok ani kha thilom thei tho ani chuwan chuanin United States na tu na thilati tu mai a hlotling ngei do ne ti chu ala soi thei chuang lawa amaro chu tu na ri chuanin a hlotling don kan ti lo na amaro chu a promising ang reng khop mai
President Pezeshkian saying today, for instance, quote, "It is better to end the war today when we are in power and dignity and the whole world acknowledges our victory and emphasizes that America, contrary to all regulations, attacked our schools, hospitals and infrastructure and is hated in the world."
Iran President Masud Pezeshkian hianin tuna Iran din mun athat lai hianin kan thil ti thei that bera chu hei indo na hi ti top ani hetianga tuna indo na hi kan ti top thein I sonin khovel min moi hianin thiam kan la chang ri zoka asan chu United States te hianin kan school te kan dam doin te le Iran mi pui te civil mi te tan po atangkai tak tak sipai thil kher ni lo infrastructure hi min ron be sak na sa ti hi khovel zong in min hriat puya chu wang chuanin tuna hi chuanin indo hi ti top a thaber ri ti in Iran president hi ron tong chuak ve nol mai ani
and emphasizes that America, contrary to all regulations, attacked our schools, hospitals and infrastructure and is hated in the world. To my recollection, Bill, that is the first time we have heard a senior Iranian official use the words "end the war."
Indo hi ti top với na hianin ti top angai ni ti top atula ni khemi tong ka mar sim hi Iran an ram suai tu te lema hei achal lang deuh mo lang sar deuh atanga media te pona an hriat voi khatna ani to na mi hi mo Indo ti top chung changa hi ama ha chuan hrengai lo hrim
today, but as I say, he is on the more moderate wing, for the moment at least, the more hardline wing within the IRGC seems to have the upper hand. We'll see.
Anh po ni se Fox News lampang te po hian thil an ron ti dan hi Iran president na khatianga thu alo soya kha le ma han la koi deu han herrem dewin Iran president hian indo ti to pa du ani tiang song te po khanin narrative propaganda kan ti ang chi te po kha an lo vor dar ve dei the ni antinan Iran president kha chuanin angai dana chuanin tuna kan din mun a that lai hi chuan indo kan ti top don ro ni chuanin tuna kan din mun that lai hian in ti to pa thang tianga soina lek te po kha alo ni ve theya amaro chu kha US nampang chuanin hetianga asoi hi US in heti hingal lo shek mek lai ani boxia chuwang chuanin Iran president te an rami puite an tor ai chuan hetiang hianin ti athang zo kan yang ti te po kha khang ang chi te po khanin United States lampanga an media te po hianin an lo la ve dei thei thawani khami kha thil ni thei kan soina ani le ati zong kha tu mata na kan han ri ka kan han soi zau thei chu ni video la kan im lai theu do ne